Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how do we attempt the College Mentor 1 Crore Scholarship test. First, visit the website link that you have received on your registered phone number. You can also access this from College Mentor's WhatsApp community. The link is mentioned in the description below. Once you visit the website, enter your name, select your gender, then your email, your phone number, and select the category of your scholarship. Remember that you must submit the certificate of your respective category once the results are declared. Now, click on Start Assessment. This takes you to the instructions and privacy notice. Give it a quick read and click on the Agree button. Then, go through the instructions and the system check and click on Start Now. Next, give access to the camera and click a clear picture of yourself. Once that is done, click on the Proceed button. Now, give audio access. Once that is successful, click on Giving Full Screen Access. It will show downloading question paper. Once that is done, you can start attempting the questions. Once you submit, wait for the confirmation display. Also, make sure that you submit the test because if you leave it without submitting, all your progress would be lost. You can proceed to the next question only after you attempt the previous question. If you are not sure of the answer, you can mark it for review. Once you attempt all the questions, before submitting the test, you can check the questions you marked for review, as it is displayed in yellow. Once you check it, you can unmark it for review as well. Now, that is your test done. Click on the submit button. A confirmation message is displayed. That's it for today, everybody. All the best for your exams.